hospitality course is part of our new learning area named Art, Design and Applied Technologies. This learning area aims to provide students with project-based opportunities where they get to apply their learning in a real-world, authentic industry context.
Tonight we are holding a dinner for our parents because over the past 2 years we've been increasing in our skills and abilities. We create some amazing things in the kitchen and they always turn out amazing.
It's a wonderful evening. It really showcases how far that they've come. When they start, hospitality is really quite daunting, having to brunoise an onion or julienne a carrot. But now they're preparing a 3-course meal for a large number of guests. Yeah, it's a great experience for them. One of the really exciting things, I guess, about tonight too is that it gives the girls the opportunity to work with a professional commercial chef. So we've got Jeff Turnbull working with us tonight. It's got great ambience. We've got lots of beautiful flowers and lights and things like that that help set the scene to make it feel like a restaurant. We have the Pymble string quartet playing as the guests arrive and have their canapes and champagne. Some beautiful facilities. We have a state-of-the-art hospitality commercial kitchen, and we also have really dedicated and committed staff who really enjoy teaching the subject, who are passionate about it.
Yeah, we're so blessed here at Pymble Ladies College. We have small classes in hospitality. It really emphasises the personalised learning that we have here at the college. It just means that I can spend so much more time with the girls and work with them.
There's a lot of reasons to study hospitality here.
The success of the night is a testament to the commitment of staff and students within the hospitality course, but I'm really proud of all students and staff within the Art, Design and Applied Technologies learning area.